Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Tajik Pulaw. Tajik Pulaw is a traditional dish of Tajikistan. For that we need I took 2 cups of rice, and before everything I just soak it. And then I took 1 kg of chicken, carrots about half kg, and 2 medium size of onions, and I'm putting cumin seeds and carom seeds. So now first of all I'm gonna put oil to heat, and now I'm gonna add the onions. And let the onions fry until they are gold color, nicely fried. So it's already having brown color. I'm gonna add chicken now. Mix it once. Add salt. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix again. And fry it for half an hour. 15 minutes to half an hour should be done. So as you see, the chicken is already nicely fried. I'm gonna add the carrots now. Add the carrots. So the main thing of this dish is the carrots. You have to add lots of carrots, then it will look nice. You mix it nicely and let it be for 5 more minutes, and then you can add water. Just cover it for 5 more minutes. Okay, so now I'm gonna add water. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm putting 4 cups of water. So it's like double of the rice. Now let it boil with the chicken and carrots and all that. Let it boil, and then we can add our rice. Boil like for 2-3 minutes. Then we add rice. It is boiling nicely. There we go. It's nice. Now I'm gonna put the rice. So just put it in the middle, the rice. Don't mix it. Just put in the middle, and then just spread it like this on top. Don't mix it. Okay. That's it. Now let it boil, let the rice cook for about 15 to 20 minutes and it will be done. So guys, until the pulao cook, I'm gonna make some salad. It's very simple salad and people just love to eat it with pulao. It is very tasty with pulao. So I'm gonna check it now. Let's check. So the water is gone. Make sure no more water is there. So I'm just put it like that, and in Tajik family we call it dam. We dam the pulao. Like make sure no more water is in there. So just do it like that, and then we take one clean newspaper, or if you have something, you know, just cover it like this, so no more water go inside. And our flame we put very low, cover it, and just keep it for 5 more minutes. And the pulao will be. And this is the traditional dish of Tajikistan, pulao. It's very tasty, and this is the salad on the side. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like it, please put your thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.